It's 7 AM and it's pretty chilly, and we're gonna go and do Telegraphe and Galibier today. So it's gonna be like the longest day. I think it's 120k, maybe 3,500 meters climbing. But the option is we might be able to get a lift back up the end, because we're literally in the middle of the climb Millard, so it's about 700 meters from the bottom. So we're like halfway up that, so it's not just a case of just going back, doing the climb and then we're done. We've still got a fair whack of climbing afterwards, so let's go, let's get some climbing on. And I've heard that this is going to be the best views, so I mean, we've seen some pretty spectacular views, so let's see how this one compares. So we're now at called Telegraphe, and so I think now I think that was about 11k, and we are having a little stop for a little drink, and then up to Galibier, which is about another 18k climbing. But that was so nice and steady and just pretty. Like, again, what am I gonna say? The views! So good, so good. To try this climb. That was a really beautiful climb. Wow. Bonjour. Wow. Well done. Well done. Très bien. It is really windy. I'm trying to cup my hand around the mic, but wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, and what am I going to say? Oh my god, the views! Incredible. Absolutely so spectacular. I can't even describe it. I started to get my my warm gear on, because it's a little bit chilly up here, but oh my god, that was amazing. Absolutely just, it's a lot steadier than I thought it was going to be, but oh my god, these views. I actually think that this was easier than Quadrifair. It was longer, but all you can see is mountains. It's my kind of climb. Home sweet home. Oh, I'm so glad we did that. Genuinely. Oh. God, look at those clouds.
Yeah. There's some rain coming at some point.
I think so. So once again, I've got back, showered, eaten. So let's do a little roundup of the day's ride really. So Telegraphe was an absolutely just beautiful, steady, nice climb. It reminds me a lot of Doisetep, if you've ever been Doisetep in Thailand. It's quite similar to that, just very steady grades. And then Telegraphe was like equally as steady, then towards the end it just kind of kicked up a little bit, but there was some beautiful roads and just, we saw them all. Just absolutely stunning. Honestly, I've tried to show in these videos like how beautiful these places are, and I still can't get it across just how epic, because everywhere you look there's just beautiful scenery. So yeah, that was a really epic day out. I think up to Telegraphe was like 11k I think, and then Galibier is 18 after that, so you are a long way. I'm actually going to put in the end of this video, I don't normally do this, but the relive, so you can actually see where we've actually been. I might put it in there now, so you can actually just see all the switchbacks, all the just all the beautiful kind of mountains that we climbed. I really like seeing it on that because you get an idea of like where we've actually been. I think towards the top though, like I got a little bit short of breath. I don't know if it's like the altitude or something like that. I've never had it before. But yeah, it was pretty epic. There was also Bardet, pro rider, up there training, and I think it took me 2 hours to do the Galibier, and he did the same. This is ridiculous, we were looking at it on Strava earlier. He did 3 up and down Galibier in 3 hours. I think his average speed was something like 35k an hour. Like, what the hell? And you see these people training, I'm like, oh my god, it just puts into a new perspective, like the Tour de France and how hard it is. I mean, you see it and you know how hard it is, but when you actually ride these climbs, it's just like, oh my god, how are they doing that? But yeah, just a really beautiful, and it's so cold at the top, really chilly, so much ice and stuff everywhere. But anyway, that is my recap of today's ride. I am going to do a separate video, I think, of all the rides that we've done this week, just so you can get an idea of what they are, what they're like. A little bit of video footage, just so you can get an idea for if you ever come to the Alps and fancy doing a couple of the climbs. Then I'm going to make that for you to make it a little bit easier. So that is it for today, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your lovely comments on the other videos. Like, I love that like some of you are equally as excited as I am about being here. I mean, look, just look at this place. Oh, that's quite red. It's from the inside. I'm not actually sunburnt. It's just the red from where we're staying. But yeah, beautiful. See you next video.